Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Ooh, so dreamy. Stay tuned for this completely DIY blonde and brown color combo that's perfect for summer. Oh, hey guys, it's Jody and welcome back. Now let's get into this color, shall we? Now this is how I partition the hair, which happens to be a wig with a lace frontal in the front. And this video is actually part 2 of how I made the wig myself. Yes, girls. Now, the colors I'm using are all by Cream of Nature. We got light golden brown and honey blonde for mostly the roots, and then light golden blonde and lightest blonde for the ends. And I spy one of my favorite creators, hey Bree. And of course you need the basics like some gloves, a color brush, clips, of course some music. I can't do anything without music or a podcast or something. So you guys may be thinking this is going to be so hard and complex, but I think using box colors made this a lot easier for me because the instructions are pretty simple. At least it comes with instructions anyway. So I start with the lightest color on the bottom half of the hair, and starting from the bottom ponytail, I work my way up. This is a super easy beginner's hack that ends up making it like 2 or 3 steps, maybe 4 tops. Notice I did not bleach the hair first, guys. This color combo was completely experimental for me because with box color, you can never tell what color it's actually gonna come out looking like. Let's be real, especially with dark hair. When you start with dark hair, you never know what level the permanent color and the developer will lift the hair to. So even though they have a diagram on the box, my hair always comes out a little darker than what's on the back of the box. And also, why did I choose a Cream of Nature box color? Because it was on sale, girls, and I love me a sale. And then I saw a Brie haul on the box and I was like, ooh, let me get this one. So it was totally impromptu. I just wanted to try this color that I had in my head for the longest time. I really wanted to do the all blonde streak in the front. That's really trendy right now. So while I was depositing the lightest color, I made sure to put some at the very top before I ran out of that bleach blonde color. So then I let my hair dry after I washed out the cream color just so I could really see what I did so far before I keep effing it up even more if that's the case. So if I need to fix it, I can fix it, you know? So it also helped to overlap the color better as I deposited the darker blondes on the top. And like I did with the ends, I got the 2 remaining colors. I started on the bottom ponytail and then I started applying the next lightest color to the roots. So what ended up happening was the bottom of the hair was the lightest in color, and it also graduates up to the roots to be like a little bit darker, and then the top of the hair was also dark as well. So to summarize, guys, the browns, that ended up on the roots of the hair. And then the blondes, the light golden blonde and the lightest blonde in the Cream of Nature, those ended up on the ends. So it's basically lighter on the bottom, a little bit browner on the top. You mix in a little bit of that from the back of the hair to the front of the hair. You put some streaks in the front, and that's basically how I got this color. Oh, y'all thought I forgot from the last video that I over bleached my roots. So when I over bleached the knots on the frontal that actually seeped into the roots of the hair, that was easily fixed by just coloring over my mistakes because I am depositing permanent color. So no worries guys, mistakes can be fixed even when you mess up your frontal. And finally, I think, here's a hair when all the box color with the browns and the blondes are applied. And trust me guys, this looks bomb once it's styled. So are we done yet, Jody? You may be asking. Well, not exactly. So what happened was I wanted to add a little oomph, you know, and I just knew I could do that celebrity bleach blonde highlight look if I tried it. So I said, let's do this. I got a bleach packet, some developer, some foil, and I got to work. So on my frontal, I parted the hair, created little gaps with the tail of the comb, and I bleached the sections over the piece of foil. And guys, FYI, I'm a kitchen-tician. I'm not a licensed cosmetologist. And it's a good thing because I'm not bleaching anyone's real hair in this video, but I'm mimicking the technique like I usually see it done. So this is what you guys are seeing me do here. I create a section, I zigzag the little gaps, I back comb, I place the foil underneath, and I apply the bleach mixture. And trust me girls, this technique is the bomb. It makes your color look like $1,000, okay? It gives you that Beyonce level look, if I can describe it. It really takes your wig up a notch with these highlights.
Ryan Little.
So that's the last coloring step, guys. Now we want to shampoo and condition, dry our wig, style it, and apply it. Here is me, y'all, saying hi with the jacked up braids. Child, I need to wash and redo. So anyway, I curled my hair and pinned my wig. I pinned the curls up, and then I sewed an elastic band on my wig. And I sewed an elastic band, and I'm not gluing my hair because I'm tired of got to be glue gel at this point. And I've never ever used real glue. Yes, guys, I've never actually tried real glue on my hair. Not these thin edges, honey. I'm not fully educated enough for that. And this way, my wig stays put and it can come off at night. So win-win. So let me take these 1,000 pins out my head and cut the lace, and then I'll be back. I'm going to lightly comb out the curls and clump them together to frame my face a little bit. And as you can see, my roots aren't 100%, they're like 95. So let me fill in that little spot right there. Got it? Nice. And look how this melts into my skin without glue. Y'all, I think your girl done got her mojo back. This is like the perfect color for my skin tone, and I did it all by accident. What? And this is the back, the dimensions in this wig, and I did it myself, guys. So if you get you some bundles and a frontal, you can make the wig yourself. You can customize your frontal, you can bleach your hair, you can color your hair, you can style your hair and save all that money, girl. So try out these hacks that I showed in the video, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed, especially if you're a beginner or just a DIYer in general. If you want to save some money, just watch these two videos and you'll be all right all summer 19. Be sure to check out how I made this wig start to finish. And I hope you guys enjoy this two-part series. Next up is baby hairs, if you're into that sort of thing. So I will see you in the next video.